This mini lesson is going to be on multiplying fractions. This is the easiest operation we have with fractions. You simply just multiply straight across and then you simplify. So basically what you're going to have is your numerators times together over your denominators times together. Going straight across and then simplifying. Multiply straight across and simplify. So in this, we are going to have 4 times 2 will be our numerator. 6 times 7 will be our denominator. 4 times 2 is 8. 6 times 7 is 42. This is an even number, so they can both be cut in half, which would be 4 over 21. And that cannot be simplified anymore. So 4 over 21 is your answer. 4 6 times 2 7s equals 421. The only area where it kind of gets tricky is if you have mixed numbers or whole numbers in the problem. So what you need to do first before you multiply across and simplify is change these mixed numbers to improper. We want to work with them as improper. So reminder, you go 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. We're going to put it back over our denominator. And then we are going to multiply that by 3/5, multiplying straight across. 9 times 3 is 27. 4 times 5 is 20. I'm noticing that this is improper because the numerator is larger than the denominator. The simplified version is to change that back into a mixed number. 20 fits into 27 2 times. You're going to have 7 left over and stick it back over your 20. So 9/4 times 3/5 is 2 and 7/20. When you have a whole number, all you have to remember is any whole number really can be turned into a fraction by sticking it over 1. Because if you read this as 5 divided by 1, it would equal 5. So we're going straight across. We're multiplying straight across. Numerator times numerator. 5 times 2 is 10. 1 times 3 is 3. Again, this is improper. 3 fits in there 3 full times. We're going to have 1 left over. Put it over 3. And our last one. Anytime you see the word of, you are going to use multiplication. You're going to see this in terms of a fraction of a number, a decimal of a number, a percent of a number. The word of is multiplication. So this is 3/4 of 20. So we're taking a part of 20, so you know that your answer is going to be smaller than 20. Let's put that over 1 to make it a fraction, which would be 60 on top. 30 times 20 is 60. 4 times 1 is 4. This is actually going to simplify down to a whole number, which is 15. This is our answer. So 3/4 of 20 is 15. So in a story problem, this might be 3/4 of the students went to the dance. If there was 20 students in the class, how many went to the dance? Well, 15 did, because 3/4 of 20 is 15.